The US and China hit pause on tariffs for 90 days. It's Monday, 12th of May, and here's what you need to know. After a weekend of trade talks in Geneva, the US and China have stepped back from a trade war that would have pushed tariffs so high they essentially stopped all trade between the two countries. They've both agreed to reduce duties by 115%. So the US tariff on Chinese goods will now be 30% and China's rate on US products just 10%. The Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said neither side wanted to see a trade embargo. Our number of the day is 3.6%. That's how much Nasdaq futures jumped in the first few minutes after that trade deal was announced. Dow futures were up 2.3% and S&P up 2.8%. Investors have been very nervous about the prospect that President Trump's erratic trade policy could cause a global recession, so this will come as a massive relief. Our stock of the day is Walmart. Its CEO told President Trump in a meeting that the trade war would empty its shelves. To take just one example, about 80% of toys sold in the US are manufactured in China. The company reports results on Thursday, and investors were listening out for how soon those shelves might be empty and how much tariffs might impact prices. But it looks like that's been staved off for now. Our chart of the day is the price of oil. After months of weak trading, it jumped 3.3% on that trade deal to reach $66 a barrel this morning. The world's key oil producers get a visit from President Trump this week. Saudi Arabia, Qatar and the UAE are all among the stops in his first trip abroad since the start of his second administration, and business deals are top of the agenda. CEOs, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman and Mark Zuckerberg, are expected to join the trip, and Saudi Arabia has already promised to invest $600 billion in the US over the next 4 years. You may have heard, though, that Qatar has caused controversy by offering to give the president a private jet worth $400 million to replace Air Force One. And that's what you need to know this morning.